Students, this is a very crucial period for students because the exams which should be held every after 1 year, this has been totally abandoned. I wish that every student will try their best to fulfill their motto and give full attention to their studies. And mathematics is the mother of science, so you must follow regularly my class so that I can make you a good student and your future must be a bright one. That's all today. Now we will go through the next class, which is from CBSE number system. Here we will see application of laws of exponents or indices. It is for class 9. It is for class 9. From 1 to 16, these are but laws. From 1 to 16, these are laws. If you don't go through these laws, you cannot understand the applications. So at first, you must know what is the laws of exponents. This 16 number, up to 16 number, you have the laws of exponents. And after that, here is the illustration. The first illustration is that you have to simplify. You must know, here it is, that root over of a equal to this. Root over of a is, there is 2, but it is not written. 2 is not written. A to the power half. So this to the power half means root over. This is also root over. According to the formula of indices, a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So it will be a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n, which is a to the power here 1. It is 1. So the number will be same. It is 1296 because the power of 1296 was half, and half plus half equal to 1. Anything to the power 1 equal to the number itself. Similarly, this 5 by 6 to the power 7 by 5 by 2 to the power 3. Here we will follow this thing. A to the power m, a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. So here it is 5 to the power 6 by 7 minus 5 to the power 2 by 3, which is 5 to the power 4 by 21. This will be. That means you may also write by this way. Now 1 by 3 to the power 4 to the power half. That means this half will be multiplied with this. When 1 by 4 is multiplied with this, it is 3 to the power square. 3 to the power 2, that is 1 by 9. Here it is given. This is given, and also this is also, you may say. Now the fourth question is 81 by 3 by 4. 81 to the power 3 by 4. 81 means 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 into 3 by 4, that is 3 to the power 3, that is 27. 8 to the power minus 1 by 3. Actually minus 1 by 3 meaning that it is the third root of 8. Third root. So it is 8 equal to 2 cube into 1 by 3, that is 2 to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to find out the value of a to the power b plus b to the power a to the power minus 1. That is also given a equal to 2, b equal to 3. So a means 2, 2 to the power 3, and b means 3, so 3 to the power 2 After calculating this, we are getting it is 17 to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 17. The another sum, 14,641 to the power 0.25. 0.25 means 1 by 4. So 14,641 to the power 1/4, that is fourth root. 14,641 equal to 11 to the power 4. So it will be 11 to the power 4 into 1 by 4, that is 11 answer. Now it is given 7776 by 243. When 7776 is divided by 243, it becomes 32. 32 to the power 3 by 5, and 32 equal to 2 to the power 5. So this 5 and 5, the denominator of 3 by minus 3 by 5 will cancel out, and it will be 2 to the power minus 3, that is 1 by 8. This is a complicated question, and all the numbers are with complicated power. The complicated power has been solved, at first they have been simplified. How? That 25 equal to 5 square, 729 equal to 9 to the power cube, 125 equal to 5 to the power 3, 5 cube, and 27 equal to 3 cube, also 8 equal to 2 cube. After cancelling the powers, we will get that it is 5 cube by 2 to the power 4, which is 125 by 16. And this number 10, it is also very complicated question, but if you go through the application, laws of application, it is easy, because 8 equal to 2 cube, and 2 cube to the power 1/3, and 27 equal to 3 cube, and 3 cube equal to 3 cube into 1/3, that is the problem is solved. Now it is 2 and 3, that is 5 cube. 5 cube into 5, that is 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4, that is 5 to the power 1 equal to 1. Now this is to prove. This is also very complicated, though it looks like complicated, but it is not so much complicated. If you go through this application, laws of application, then it is very easy, because 8 equal to 2 cube, 5 equal to 25 equal to 5 square, 32 equal to 2 to the power 5, and 125 equal to 5 cube. After calculating this, we are getting that the result of this, to prove this result, is 2 to the power half, that is root over 2, and this is right hand side. This chapter, this exercise will be continued till it is finished, so you must follow these classes.